Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla semi-units spotted testing on road near Nevada production plant. Tesla provides sneak peek into Megafactory amid hiring ramp. The IDRA Giga Press heads to Tesla Giga Texas. And Tesla Model Y bodies ready for Megacasts at Giga Berlin. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla semi-units were spotted testing on road near Gigafactory, Nevada, as the automaker prepares to make its first deliveries in just over a month. The Tesla Semi is one of the automaker's most anticipated products, and after being delayed the past 2 years, the company is nearing the first deliveries of the vehicle to PepsiCo on December 1st. As a result of the imminent first deliveries, Tesla is continuing to test the Semi on roads near Gigafactory, Nevada, and the mysterious production facility the vehicle is built in. Video of 2 Tesla semi-units traveling near Nevada SR 439 and Denmark DR, just off of Electric Avenue, where Gigafactory Nevada is located, was found recently. For reference, here is where the semi-units were spotted in relation to Gigafactory Nevada. On-road testing is not out of the ordinary for any automaker ahead of an upcoming vehicle launch. We have covered Tesla and many other automakers testing vehicles on public roads in the past, and it is a good baseline to see how the vehicle will handle and operate in an everyday setting. Tesla is planning to start deliveries of the Semi on December 1st, after aiming to make deliveries of the vehicle in both 2020 and 2021. Supply chain bottlenecks and battery constraints prevented delivery in the past, and many skeptics may be wondering what is different this time. We also reported recently that the Tesla Semi had officially received a certificate of conformity from the EPA, which it had never received previously. This ensures that the Semi has been assessed and tested by the EPA, and it was found to be compliant with federal emissions and fuel economy standards, something every vehicle in the stream of commerce must abide by before receiving the certificate of conformity. Despite aiming for deliveries in 2020 and 2021, Tesla had never applied for or received a certificate of conformity for the Semi. This development alone is a telltale sign that Tesla is aiming to deliver the Semi very soon. Moving to the next update, Tesla provides sneak peek into Megafactory amid hiring ramp. Tesla provided a sneak peek into its Megafactory, the facility manufacturing its Megapack batteries. The video showed massive machinery building Tesla's Megapacks and the people involved in its manufacturing process from start to delivery. Tesla published the video on LinkedIn and invited eligible candidates to join the company and work in its Megafactory. A glance at the jobs posted for the Megafactory shows that Tesla is looking for candidates in the following categories. The categories are manufacturing, engineering and IT, vehicle service, construction and facilities, and supply chain. Open positions in the Megafactory cover a wide variety of jobs, from technical writer and welder to quality supervisor and NPI technician. In the engineering and IT department, Tesla is looking for a controls engineer, a manufacturing equipment engineer, and a test engineer. The Megafactory has 2 positions in the vehicle service department, one for a calibration technician and another for a quality systems associate. Under construction and facilities, Tesla is looking for a senior facilities mechanical engineer and a journeyman electrician. Then there are 3 openings under supply chain, which includes warehouse program manager, materials planner, and technical project manager for production control. Tesla reported a significant growth in its solar and energy deployment in the 3rd quarter. Demand for the Megapack seems to remain strong. Energy storage deployments increased by 62% year-over-year in Q3 to 2.1 gigawatt-hour, by far the highest level we have ever achieved. This level of growth was accomplished despite semiconductor challenges continuing to have a greater impact on our energy business than our automotive business. Demand for our storage products remains in excess of our ability to supply. We are in the process of ramping production at our dedicated 40 gigawatt-hour Megapack factory in Lathrop, California, to address the growing demand, stated the company in its Q3 2022 update letter. Moving to the next update, the IDRA Giga Press heads to Tesla Giga Texas. IDRA Group's Giga Press is now packaged and headed to Tesla Giga Texas. In a post on LinkedIn, IDRA Group showed the new 9,000-ton Giga Press, packaged and ready to be sent to Tesla's Giga Texas facility. The new press is a vital part of Tesla's production line, as it will be used for producing the body panels and numerous other metal body components expected to be used within the Tesla Cybertruck. In the short post shared by the company's LinkedIn page, the 9,000-ton Giga Press is seen in a shipping box, ready to be sent to Tesla's facility. From IDRA Group's headquarters in Brescia, Italy, the press will have to make its way out of the Mediterranean and across the Atlantic, a voyage that usually takes roughly half a month, depending on which U.S. port the press would be headed to. However, due to the vast number of factors influencing shipping times, calculating when the press will arrive in Austin is next to impossible with the publicly available data. The first mention of IDRA's enormous Giga Press was in the Q4 2020 Tesla earnings call, when Tesla CEO Elon Musk mentioned that the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck would require a far larger press machine than existing Tesla products. IDRA was not named as the manufacturer of the now infamous press at the time, but now, the relationship between the two companies has become more apparent. Once the Giga Press arrives in Austin and is assembled, hopefully without significant troubles, Tesla should be very close to production readiness for their highly anticipated pickup truck. This lines up with information released at Tesla's most recent earnings call, in which the Tesla Cybertruck was labeled as entering the tooling phase as of the time of the call. Further positive news for Cybertruck owners came recently, as Cybertruck bodies were spotted waiting for the upcoming press to continue their production. However, there is no telling if these vehicles are part of another batch of test vehicles or if they are eventually headed to customers next year. CEO Elon Musk has asserted that the Cybertruck will come as soon as next year. Unlike previous estimates provided by the CEO, the evidence seems to indicate that the company will at least be production ready by the end of the year. Though yet again, regulatory hurdles and any other technical changes that Tesla must solve before the launch determines whether the vehicle comes in early 2023 or in the final days of December next year. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model Y bodies ready for Megacasts at Giga Berlin. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin has started producing Model Y bodies ready for front Megacasts and structural battery packs. Tesla Gigafactory in Germany is steadily ramping up Model Y production in Europe. Giga Berlin already hit a 2,000 per week run rate in its Model Y production ramp. In the Q3 2022 update letter, Tesla shared its plans to introduce front Megacasts and structural battery packs to Giga Berlin production by the end of this year. A recent flyover by drone operator Tobias Lind revealed that Tesla is already producing Model Y bodies with spaces for Tesla's front Megacasts and structural battery pack. Lind's latest video provides an excellent vantage point of the space the front Megacast and structural battery packs will fill in the future. Giga Berlin is likely in the beginning stages of Model Y production, with front Megacasts and structural battery packs. Tesla might start delivering Model Y units with front Megacasts and structural battery packs in 2023, depending on how tests go. A Model Y price cut in Germany and parts of Europe would signal when units with Megacasts and structural battery packs start getting delivered. Tesla's Megacasts and structural battery packs help the company reduce costs significantly. Tesla also plans to produce battery cells at Giga Berlin, which will likely fill the structural battery packs in the Model Y. Tesla's structural battery pack design goes hand in hand with its 4680 cells. So Model Y units with structural battery packs will likely also have 4680 cells. Tesla tripled 4680 cell production in the third quarter this year. The company expects to start producing more vehicles equipped with 4680 cells in Giga Texas over the next few months. Giga Berlin would probably follow in Giga Texas footsteps later. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.